Hello, dear students. Welcome back after your vacations. So, before vacation, we had learned about the different components of the Photoshop window. We had learned about menu bar, then the option bar, where all the options are available, then the default mode, which we can also change, then the document area, where we need to do all the works, then the tool palettes, where all the tools are available, and then this floating window named as palette. Now, let's move further. In this tutorial of Introduction to Photoshop CS6, we will be learning inserting images, saving a file, opening a file. So let's begin with the steps to insert image in the Photoshop. To insert an image in Photoshop, we just need to click on this File menu button. In this File menu, when you're going to click on it, you will see the various options are available in this menu. So you need to choose this Place. Using this option, Place option, you can insert the images in the Photoshop. And inserting images means you can put the already existing images to your document area. So let's click on it, Place, and then you can see the different pictures which is already available in your computer will be displayed on your screen. So you can choose any of them like this and then click on this Place button. It's compulsory to click on this Place button if you want to insert an image into your document area. So by clicking over here, you can see our image will be displayed in your document area. So now there are some dragging points using which you can adjust, resize or rotate your image. And these handles is known as canvas nodes. You can see these are the canvas nodes. By clicking on it, you can easily resize your picture. So let me show you. In this way, you can just click and drag. So what are the steps to resize an image? Just click on this canvas node and then drag it the way you want to move your picture. And the similar way you can do it in the height wise and the width wise too. And then when you're going to move away from the document area, you can see this will changes to a different pointer. Instead of a straight two-headed arrow, this is a bit curvy arrow. And that means now you can click over here and drag it. And by dragging, you can rotate your image in this way. So you had learned two things in this, how to resize your image and how to rotate your image, right? Once you are satisfied with the position as well as the angle of your picture, just double click on the picture. And then you will see a new layer will appear over here. And here you can see an image is there. That means your image is inserted on your background. Now it's the time to learn how we can save a file in a Photoshop. After creating or editing an image, now it's the time to save it. So what do we need to do to save this image? Just simply click again on this File menu. Using File menu, you can get various options and you need to choose Save option. Here you can see the Save option. You can also use a shortcut key for this, Ctrl+S. So when you're going to click over here on this Save option, you will find this Save dialog box will appear on your screen. In this Save dialog box, you need to type a name, that is your file name. So let's see, it's my first file in this Adobe Photoshop, so I had choose a name first, okay? So format, in the format box you can see the extensions. By default, the extension which is used to save the Photoshop files are .psd. So here you can see .psd is the file extension which is by default available in the Photoshop. So just after typing the name, click on this save button. You can also choose a location. Suppose you want to save this file on the desktop, then choose desktop from here, or any other file from this PC. You can select the other drives too. Right? After selecting a particular location, click on this save button. So I choose desktop and clicking on this save button, and you can see automatically extension appears over here .psd because it's a by default extension in the Photoshop. So let's click on the save button. Earlier, before clicking on the OK, let me show you. Earlier it was named as untitled. This picture is named as untitled one. But then after saving it, it changes to first.psd. So here you can see the name of that image, first.psd. From here you can easily recognize either your image is saved or not. Now let's move towards how we can open an image in the Photoshop. After saving an image, we need to open it, right? So whenever again we need that file, so we need to open that same file so that we can see what are the changes we had done in that. So to open any file, you need to choose this file menu and then choose this open option. Here you can see for open option, there is a shortcut key also available, that is Ctrl+O. So either you can click on this open option or you can choose the shortcut key for that. And in both the cases, you will find this open dialog box appears on your screen. And then in this open dialog box, let me resize it to show you all the options. Yeah, here you can see on the desktop. Do you remember last time we had saved our file on the desktop? So we will select the same file from the desktop again. So we had named it at first, right? So this is the exact file that I need because I had saved it with the name first. So I'm going to click on it. After clicking, you need to choose this open button. So what will be the steps? Let's revise it again. Click on this file menu. In the file menu, we will getting open option or just simply using Ctrl+O. Okay, you will be getting this. Then you need to choose a location. So we had selected desktop because we saved our file on desktop, right? After that, choose your file. So we had named it as first. So we will choose the same file first and then click on this open button. And you can see the same file will appear on your screen again.